The benefits of writing articles. You have a business. You are new and want to build a client list. However, the public doesn't know much about you. One of the best ways to build the relations, credibility, and to help get people to know more about you and your area of expertise is to write articles. People are always looking for good articles for their websites, blogs, and newsletters. The important words here are good and content. Good articles are content-rich. They help the reader understand that which you are writing about. It gives them insight, whether it is about business, communication, health, or any number of subjects. When you provide an article for your reader, whether you wrote it or published it, you are doing your clients a service by educating them in the areas that they wish to learn. Moreover, your credibility can be built or diminished by the article. Articles also help to keep your website updated and help to increase your search engine ratings. Stagnate websites that never change get a much lower rating with Google. As well, do not encourage your audience to come back. They are thinking, okay, I saw it. A summary of the benefits are, for the author, they, increased exposure. Give credibility, you show your expertise. Develop relations, people get to know you better. Create links to your site. Give you free publicity. For the publisher or website owner, it provides content. Related articles that you don't have to write. Reference and information that you don't have to write. A vast resource of free information. However, it is important to remember that there can be a downside, of which you can avoid once you understand what it is. There is nothing worse than reading an article that is nothing more than a sales letter, a news release, or an inflated, glorified piece on how wonderful you are. You need to give the public something that they can use. Then they are much more likely to follow your link in your resource box back to your site to find out more about you. Remember that in each article, you are communicating something about you. You want the message that be one that encourages people to want to get to know you better, to learn more about you, and to become one of your clients or subscribers. In your resource box, make sure you are clear, stating who you are and where they can find out more about you. Most article directories and magazines have set limits on the size and amount of information you can place, so it is important to ensure it is accurate and inviting. You are not writing articles just for praise and admiration. You do have a business to run and bills to pay. Even if you are a millionaire and want to write just for the sheer joy of it and love to teach for free, your resource box is still important, as you would want the readers to know that the information came from a credible source. So go ahead and get started. Don't stop at one article, it can easily become buried. Make it a habit and write them regularly, whether it is once a week or once a month. And remember, have fun doing them.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.